Alright, gentlemen, this is a quick video on how we cut these now. I hope you get it and we can make that fixture work for it. See, these aren't razor blades, these are those little circular blades. The piece that I'm working with, right here, this is a 4mm diameter piece. They have 2, 3, 4, and 6, ranging from 1 centimeter to 1.8. This is the piece. It's soft, not too soft, but it's a 3-part polymer, so it can be brittle when it gets dry. So you feed this into the hole, like so. There's a slot similar to the ones you've seen before. A little loose, that's why I did this, because the fixture wasn't really too good, as you can probably imagine. So I line it up the best I can. Push down on this piece of rubber that I threw on here, just to make it work. And I had to be careful, obviously there's no guarding. I set my Dremel on speed number 2, maybe a little bit more sometimes, depending. And then I just cut through and stop when it's done. So here we go. Slowly go through. That's done. Shut it off. And I'll just pull it out. Remove the junk pieces. Pull them out. I'll feed this out with these tongs. These are special tongs they've made so that when you squeeze, the one we showed you, it closes on this side before it grips onto the part. So whenever I push as hard as I can, it never grips the part more than the actual OD that is specified, so you don't squish it. So that's the whole thing behind the tweezers. There you go. So now that piece is done, 1.8 centimeters. And I go on to the next one. And that's how I go continuously. And I'd like to see this a little different than how it's set up, obviously, something like we use the fixture I explained in the emails I've sent. This is like one of my primary jobs is to get this to a point where it's GMP ready. So I think, as this is, dirty, I'm going to pardon my finger here, I'm going to use the finger on this one. I need to make sure that there's like a vac system that can be used on this that's semi-clean, not too loud, similar to what we used on the old brazier machines back at Tech Device. It was ducted. I figure a couple of ducts on either side to suck out the broken pieces and all the leftover powder that comes on board with it. But I figure we do this little video for you. You can see how it works. Again, this is very sloppy the way it's set up. It's not very precision like I would hope to see. Spacing is controlled by here, which is just a cut piece of pipe that they lined up. Obviously, I did not make this. You did not make this. Absolutely not. But this is just a video so you can see how it is. I hope we can get this moving. I know you're probably getting busy now, but please remember this is not Tech Device anymore. This is a company that has lots of money and wants to spend it. And this is their core parts of their processes that they need to have done. So I'll keep calling you and bugging you, and I'll just get you some more new business. I hope everybody's good. Take care.